video. We're packing up. It's the end of Couture. We're showing everyone everything. We said we were going to do all these videos while we were here, but we did not. Eryn, what were you talking to people about the most?
Concierge at Couture. So if you're a retailer and you didn't stop by, one, you missed out. Two, I'll be emailing you, I'm sure.
Look out for that, because we have a way for you to sell one-of-a-kind pieces. And
like this.
Like that. You want to tell your joke?
Oh yeah, this is my favorite joke. So when your love is being a pill.
So it swivels from a heart to a pill-shaped.
Only 2 were ever made. This is the last one. Our goldsmith and our bench jeweler are like done with it. They're like, never again. That was too complicated.
Yeah, I mean, this has
1.1 carats of diamonds.
a lot of tiny diamonds set very close. And they were like, don't do this again. Because the thing is, all my pieces have tons of 1mm stones, hundreds of them. So
429.
So it's not like I ever cut back on the number of stones, but sometimes like I just do a different design. I mean, this has these earrings, Marie Antoinette earrings, have 202 green garnets on each side. So 404 stones in total. Someone has to sit looking through a microscope to set them. And yeah, sometimes they get, I'm not like their favorite, they're really nice to me. All my setters and goldsmiths are great, but they're like, oh no, because
she's back.
It's a lot easier to work with people where you're setting like one big stone, and it's a lot less work. So luckily, you know, I have to be really nice to them. Always really nice.
Okay. So for now, or forever, anything in the gold collection now comes with these beautiful little books, which designed by yours truly. This is the design I do, is the experience part. And if you have a piece that you've been waiting to see, you should probably call a store nearby and ask them why they're not part of our concierge service. So that's a way for you to try things on if you're a serious collector and you're looking for a one-of-a-kind item. If you love elephants, or you love to drink, like this one, like this little guy, then you can ask to see it from whatever the nearest high-end jewelry store. You just give them a call, ask them why they're not working with us, and then give me a call and tell me to harass them, and then we'll get you your piece. And you'll be the only one in the world who has it.
Can you flip that for me? So that Hathor swivel ring, which you've seen on the blog and
we've been playing with this one a lot.
Yeah, it swivels to carnelian, and I've only made one of those and a pair of matching earrings. Oh, it looks really good. I don't usually see it from like this side of the case, kind of. And she's getting them out of our very beautiful display.
It was beautiful. You only saw the messy part.
Yes.
I brought it over when it got messy.
We're literally like packing up right now, and I'm thinking, oh shoot. So the Contemporary Jewelry Design Group is an industry group that invited us to be part of their booth, and I loved it. We had a great time. We had a lot of good conversations with people.
We have a lot of new concierge partners. And yeah, and there's our concierge book, and we're going to come out with a new edition for holiday, but for summer, this is it, and it's got these big beautiful pictures of the pieces. And when like a store says, oh, I've got the customer who loves skulls or loves turquoise, all they have to do is give us a call, and we will send a couple pieces to them, and they can hold on to it for 2 weeks and show their best clients, kind of in a private setting, champagne
relaxed.
Preferred. If your retailer's not giving you champagne, you let us know.
Yeah, we'll deal with that. And then, they either sell it, or in the very unlikely event they don't, they send it back to us. So it's like a short-term commitment for everyone, and it's a way for people to see it, because I don't accept returns from my website.
Because I really, potential for damage is
yeah,
too high.
I really need to make sure that when I'm sending this out and possibly getting it back, that it's in the hands of people who are very experienced with handling this kind of jewelry. So that's what we've been doing, and now we're packing up, and I hope to be back here next year because it was great. There's the hidden diamonds. There's the whistle. With the wolf in it. Inside. The wolf whistle. The Virginia wolf whistle. I got 2 puns in one necklace.
And that story about what inspired it would be included in its own little booklet that you get to take home, and it fits in your jewelry box and you can keep it forever. And our favorite thing is when you start with our story and then you give it your own story.
Yes.
We had a great customer come by earlier who said that her grandmother had a buckle ring that got melted down, and she said she's in love with this one. So this is the only one that's available for purchase anywhere in the world right now, and when it sells, we'll only ever make 5. This is number 3, and who knows when we're gonna have another one, because Wendy gets bored easily, and I think it's moving on to other stuff. So like literally it could be years and years before we make another one.
It actually took me to really this event to realize that when people, I have either one-of-a-kind pieces or very limited edition pieces, and it kind of hit me finally that people don't realize when I say limited edition, like, first of all, I mean 5, maybe for a couple of pieces from one of the collections, 10. But I don't make them all at once. Like, it's not a normal manufacturing run like at a factory. So sometimes what I plan to make a limited edition piece actually turns out to be one of a kind, because all of a sudden I decide, well, I'm not going to make any more of them. So when you see something of mine, get it while you can, because it might not come around again. Depends on how I feel. A lot of times I'll do custom work, but if you want something that's ready to go right away, this one is one of a kind. The taxi ring is one of a kind. So that's it. We had a great time at Couture. We borrowed back our Anza man brooch to show people.
We also work with retailers on custom pieces, so if you're looking for a man brooch, definitely get the side view of the stone too.
Yeah, it's a very unusual cut.
Hi. How are you?
And that's it. We're done.